Pradeep, if you can hear me at this point, where are you? How did Udhampur vote? It was a big voting. It was a significant voting. The first after the abrogation of Article 370. Really something that has been spoken about, been contended for, and has been the center of political rhetoric across the country.
Yes, you're absolutely right. This is a very important election because first electoral battle after abrogation of Article 370 and bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territory, one Ladakh and other Jammu and Kashmir. And we saw that despite bad weather conditions, there was a lot of enthusiasm and overwhelming response. I don't know who is going to win because I will not be prophesizing about that. Only on the June 6th one will get to know what way the political is really going to swing. But definitely it was a victory of democracy that more than 65% voting the percentage can be more. Because right now all I can say is that 65% voting had been there. Despite heavy rainfall, you can see it's raining cats and dogs here. And it started since morning. Daytime it was better. But still at some of the places it was raining. But despite that rainfall, people came out to vote. See, if we talk about this particular constituency, it is spread over the 5 districts. And these 5 districts are Kishtwar, Doda, Ramban, Udhampur as well as Katwa. And if we look at the area is almost same as that of the Israel. So it's one Israel where the people were voting. So they came out in large number. 12 candidates were in fray. The contest is between Dr. Jitendra Singh and Chaudhry Lal Singh of the Congress Party. But you rightly said, because there are people who are voting for the Modi, they said that it hardly matters who is the candidate, but what matters to them is the Prime Minister Modi and its policy, because they feel that after abrogation of Article 370, there has been a sea change in Jammu and Kashmir. They saw that how the security scenarios improved. There has been development. But on the other hand, the Congress had been trying to prove a point that, see, your land is not safe, your jobs are not safe. Article 370 has not given much. They were talking about the Dogra Pride. There were mixed response we got. We had been interacting with the people. Some said that development is really very important. But only on the June 6th one will get to know what will the political pendulum swing. But so far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, more important is that people came out in large number to vote. And more important is that this is because see,
Pradeep, I have to ask you something. Even amid all of this political rhetoric, the voters' might really is at display, and some lovely imagery that came out of Udhampur today. You had a bride and a groom who came out to vote as well. That is, of course, something that we all must celebrate. They had their priorities very clear. They came out to vote on a very, very important day for them. And what a way to start their marriage journey, with the bride and the groom really showing the inked finger. Nothing better than that, really, to celebrate India's democracy. Would you know anything about this couple?
Yes. Absolutely right. It happened in the ward number 9 in Katwa in the Udhampur constituency. The couple came out to vote. Immediately after solemnizing the marriage, they came toward the polling booth. They thought that this is their first priority because their vote matters. Because it's not only about the vote, it's their duty. They know that if they're going to be a veto power for them, they are going to elect their representative. I met one young girl who had already injured her leg. She got the plaster, but she told her mother that she will be going because there was a lot of excitement. She said that this is for the first time she will be voting. It happened in ward number 5 again in Katwa. So she came out to vote, and I interacted with her. She said that because this was her first time and she wanted to make it sure that she's going to choose the right representative, because they know each and every vote really matters.
Absolutely, Pradeep.
Once they're going to press that EVM button, they're going to decide what kind of representative they really want to have.